Are you wondering how to keep your garden buzzing with life even in the chill of winter? Today, we're diving into the world of garden wildlife and exploring the best ways to provide food for them during the colder months. In this video, top tips for providing food for garden animals in winter, we'll uncover practical and safe methods to support your backyard friends when they need it the most. So, if you're eager to maintain a lively and welcoming garden this winter, stay tuned. One, understanding garden wildlife needs in winter. Winter can be a challenging time for garden animals. Food sources become scarce, and the cold weather demands more energy from them. Understanding the specific needs of different animals is crucial for providing the right kind of support. Birds. They need high-energy foods like seeds, nuts, and suet. Bird feeders and fat balls can be a lifeline for them during winter. Mammals. Creatures like hedgehogs, squirrels, and even some smaller mammals may benefit from supplementary feeding with nuts, seeds, and fruits. Insects. Although less active, insects still play a crucial role in the garden ecosystem. Leaving some areas undisturbed and providing log piles can offer them shelter and food. 2. Safe and effective feeding strategies. It's not just about what you feed, but also how you feed. Safety and health of the animals should always come first. Placement of feeders. Keep feeders away from potential predators and in a place where you can enjoy watching the wildlife. Hygiene. Regularly clean feeders to prevent the spread of diseases. Water sources. Providing clean water can be as vital as food, especially when natural sources are frozen. 3. Do's and don'ts of winter feeding. Do's. Use quality food products, create diverse feeding spots, and monitor the food to ensure it's being consumed. Don'ts. Avoid foods harmful to certain animals, like bread for ducks or milk for hedgehogs, and don't overfeed, as this can lead to dependency. 4. Supporting natural food sources. Encouraging natural food sources is equally important. Planting berry-producing shrubs or allowing a part of your garden to grow wild can provide natural sustenance for various garden creatures. Remember that your garden can be a haven for wildlife, especially in winter. By following these tips for providing food for garden animals, you're not only helping them survive the harsh season, but also enriching your own garden experience. Let's make our gardens a welcoming place for all its inhabitants, regardless of the season. What steps will you take to support garden wildlife this winter? Share your plans in the comments below and join our Garden Club community for more gardening insights and tips. Don't forget to like and hit the subscribe button. And for more journeys into the world of gardens, be sure to subscribe to Garden Club. Thanks for watching and happy gardening!